Hello there, this is Sam from Monitorline Info Services. Monitorline is also the company behind FX Reports, Fight Forex, and the Forex Help YouTube channel. I'm making this video to show an end-to-end demonstration of our FX Report software uh, live in action. What will help the audience is first if I cover the basics of a typical setup of a prop firm operation. So in short, the prop firm operation is made up of 3 or 4 key components. One is your front office, which is your prop firm website, something like yourpropsite.com. Then there is a back office solution, which is hosted and operated on our servers, but it is made available to your traders under something like dashboard.yourpropsite.com or app.yourpropsite.com or any other subdomain you want. And then there is the broker, which is either a MetaTrader server or a ctrader or dxtrade, etc. And the two key players are the admin, which is typically the owner of the prop firm or their team, and the traders. The setup is such that the traders buy the challenges from the front office side. Then the front office and the back office integrate, where the back office provisions those accounts with the broker, sends the details to the trader, then the traders start trading. The back office also makes the dashboard available for the traders. And the back office also does the other activities in the back end, such as trading history collection from the broker, continuous monitoring and breach detection by coordinating the data with the broker, and few other activities. The administrator is in charge of updating the products challenges on the front office website, and the administrator team is also given access to the admin panel, which allows them to carry out some of the other administrative activities in the backend. And the administrator also usually gets a manual access to the broker through a manager console. So for MetaTrader, there is a MetaTrader manager application. Every platform provider gives an access through a manager console. But this activity is not in scope of our current demo. This is just shown as just to keep the picture complete. But this is a manual activity and we will not be talking about this. We will be mostly focusing our demo on the actual automation and the setup. For the purposes of this demo, we will be using our demo slash free challenge website, which you are welcome to try out anytime, which is called freepropchallenge.com. So our front office will be freepropchallenge.com, which is one of our sites, and the back office will run on demo.freepropchallenge.com. And the broker we are doing this demonstration with, it's GH Markets. And we are going to do a demo only with the mt4. However, the software can be connected to mt5, and we are now also releasing connections for ctrader as well as dxtrade. As I mentioned a few minutes ago, the demonstration in the rest of the video will not focus on the manual activity down here. We will only focus on some of the uh, automation and activities carried out by the back office. There are multiple demos that we will record and show as part of this and subsequent videos. The first demo we are going to see now is for a scenario when the trader has purchased a new challenge. So I will show you from end to end how the trader can buy a challenge, how the FX report software then creates the accounts with the broker automatically and sends out the details, And I will also show the administrator interface, which is the admin panel. And I will also show the trader dashboard, which is the trader's interface into the back office. So let's see this first demo. So as I was explaining, the front office website is freepropchallenge.com. So this is our actual live website, which we also use for our demonstration purposes. We also have people taking free challenges from us. This is also run as a site where anybody can come and register for a free challenge. We don't charge any fees. The site is made only for the purposes of for the fun and education. It is not a paid challenge. Feel free to try one challenge yourself. So coming back to our demo, the first thing that the owner of the platform has to do is actually create a WooCommerce shopping cart and add some products. For the demonstration purposes, I have already added 2 products in the challenges section, and we will be doing a demo with one of these products. So as you can see, I have already added a 10K challenge and a 20K challenge. Again, this is for demo purposes. These are not actually live. And I will quickly show you what is critical and what is important to be set up. Of course, the 10K challenge is the name. If you want, you can give some description. Then you can update other SEO information if you want, which is always advisable. For the sake of demonstration, this is a $0 challenge, so there is no actual shopping cart going out to actual payment processing, so the demo can be easily done. There is a short description and so on and so forth. So this is the first step. Upload your image for the product and all that. And we have created this product now. In the back end, this product is, or this front office website is also linked to the back office website. The way this software links to the back office is through WooCommerce webhooks. And that information is usually updated under WooCommerce settings, advanced, and the webhooks area. So as you can see, this is a webhook that is created for the challenge to be connected with the back office. So everything works automatically in the back end. So now let's go back to our challenge and let's demonstrate how the end-to-end workflow works when a trader makes a purchase. So for the sake of completeness, we will open this in a new browser because I have already logged in as an administrator. A trader would typically not be logged in as your administrator in your WordPress site. So to mimic that, I'm going to open this in a new browser. So we'll see the correct end user experience here. So the trader will actually see the challenge page like this. We will add this to the shopping cart. So this challenge has been added to the shopping cart. Then the trader will go to the shopping cart. I had done one update previously, so I'm going to reduce this back to 1 and update. If the trader wants to buy multiple challenges, the software supports that. But for the sake of this demo, I'm going to show only one purchase. Then I'm going to say proceed to checkout. Of course, I will fill in all the billing information. So line, monitor line info services. I'm going to select country as India, street address test street, uh, test city. I will say one of the states in India. Pin code in India are 6 digits, so I'm going to put some dummy pin code. I'm going to put some dummy phone number here for the sake of this demonstration, and the email address. So the email address is very, very important because the link between the front office and the back office is the email address. As long as the same email address is used, the back office considers that purchase for that particular trader. So if the trader comes back and makes a purchase for a second challenge, and if uses the same email, then the back office will know that it's the same trader. And instead of creating a new trader account for the dashboard, it will add the new trading account under the same user ID. So the email address is very important. For the sake of this demo, I'm going to use one of my email addresses, which is in-house FTMO like challenge at fightforex.info. I'm going to go here. I'm not going to add any notes, and I'm going to place the order. Okay, so a new order has been placed, and as a prop firm owner, if I log into my WooCommerce admin panel, then I will see the order. So this is the new order I just entered. And by default, all orders are sent to processing by WooCommerce. And in this demo, we have kept a manual step, which is also required by some of the prop firm owners because they want to manually verify the payment. For example, if it's a crypto payment, you don't want automatically for the software to send um, orders, right? So the first status the order goes in is processing. Then the administrator will come and say, okay, I received the payment and mark it as complete, and then say update. In the meantime, the WordPress itself has sent an email saying order number 2639 was received. So this is sent by the WordPress WooCommerce shopping cart to me as a trader. So I received this as a receipt. Now I also have this email company@monitorline.com as the administrator email for the WooCommerce. So I also got a notification from WooCommerce saying an order was placed 2639, which is this order 2639, which we just marked as complete. Now, once we mark the order as complete, we will also receive additional email from WooCommerce saying the order was marked as complete. Once the order is marked as complete, via the webhook, the front office also sends the information to the back office. And in the back office, there is automatic account provisioning, which will create the account at the broker and send out the email to the trader as well. So now what we are expected to receive a total of 3 more emails in this email address, which is the trader's email address. The second email should say that, or 4 emails, including this one. So this was the first that said your order was received. Second email that should come here in a minute from WooCommerce is saying that your order was marked complete, right? Then, as you can see, the back office, which is linked, also sends out two more emails, and we'll see all those as well. So let's first see the WooCommerce email that says your order was marked as complete. That was sent because we changed the status from processing to complete. Now, in the back office, the back office solution also created two emails. One is it gave us the first email saying new user was added, and this is the new user's username and ID. And you can go to this site and log in. So now we are logging at the back office, which is running on this URL as I showed you in this demo slide. So this is now the back office. Now we will see how the trader interface looks like as well as how the administrator interface looks like. So before we look at the administrator interface, let's examine the last email that we received. The last email that we received is saying that, hey, trading account is also created at the broker called GH Market, which is the broker in our demo scenario. This account number is this. This is your master password. This is your investor password. And to see your dashboard, trader, you can go to this URL, right? So let's go to this URL and log in as the trader first. So we see the trader interface. So the software actually sent us the trader username and password in the first email. So let's look at that. I will copy the user ID, paste it here, and then I will copy the password and I will paste it here. Now, the trader has been logged in as the trader or a member into the dashboard. Now, in a demo site, this main page is left blank, but depending on our customers' requirements, we can show whatever information they want to show here. Some customers choose to show like all their rules again here. Some customers choose to show their uh, links and details about their challenges so that the trader can purchase new challenges directly from here. On top of that, the trader has option to update their profile if they want to update first name, last name, whatever. Then they also have an access to the leaderboard, and we can remove this if you want, or we can keep it if you want. The leaderboard can be filtered by the program. So if the user wants to see only 10K challenge leaderboard, they can put that 10K here and see only the leaderboard for that. There is a new feature we are releasing called competitions, which will allow the traders to apply for competitions and participate in them. And then the trader also has the option to look at their accounts. So this is the new account that the back office system just created and sent the email, which is this one, 233413043. 333. This is a demo account. 10K challenge is the program. Broker is this. It was last updated at this. The current balance, current equity is this. And then the trader has two options. They can actually view the report. We will open this in a new window, which is a current design is like this. Of course, you can choose any design. We have many designs. If we apply a custom design, then it will look like this. This was created for one of our customers. This exact design is not available. However, this is just shown here to demonstrate the functionality that, okay, you can actually use um, any template you want. We'll go back to the Premier theme. go back to the accounts, and the second option for the trader is to request payout. Of course, request payout function will not work at this point because the system will also keep an eye on whether the trader is actually eligible or not. And as this is just a brand new account, the request payout function will not work. It will basically just show a message that your account is not eligible for payout. So this is the trader interface. Now let's log out of this for now. And for the administrator, the same login page is used for administrator as well, but the administrators will be given a different user ID password. In this case, it's FX reports. I log in as an administrator. And as an administrator, the first thing they see is a kind of an analytics report on their main page. And we can customize this. So if you don't want this report, we can change it. The idea is like how many active accounts are there, how many expired accounts are there, how many, what is the different status, what are the different account numbers in different programs. So it's an analytics dashboard for the administrators. The administrator also has an option to update their profile. They also see the leaderboard. The next thing they can do is add and remove programs. So we just added an account into this one. I'm sorry, into this one, right? So administrators can view, edit all the information about this, right? So this is the place where they'll go and set up new challenges, and there is no limit. You can create as many challenges as you want. And in the second demo video, we'll also show how you can create a trading account directly for a program from this. Okay, but in this demonstration, we'll just stay focused on the first scenario, which is just to show you how the new challenge is purchased and how the accounts are provisioned. So in the show users, now I see the new user that just got created. As an administrator, I have different options. I can add a new account for them, or I can see their current accounts, which is the current account that was created, 3043 as the last four digits. 3043, this was just created. Again, it shows all this information. It says that currently this account is active. And then as an administrator, also you can view the report, you can delete this account, or you can show the credentials. In one of the demo, we will see how you use this option to send the credentials to the trader when they forget their login and password. So the software has a provision for that. Now, this is the administrator interface, and the other features in the administrator interface are you can update your emails. You can check for payouts. When you have new payouts and you have paid, you can put a comment and you can confirm. So new payouts will show in the pending status, and then once you pay them, you can come back here and say confirmed, and then the trader will receive an email saying they confirmed. But this scenario again is out of scope for this demo, so I'm going to skip this part. And then there's a new feature for competitions that we are rolling out as well. So administrators, in one of the future demos, we will show how competition section works and how they can set up the competitions. Now the last thing left in this demo is to do some trading in our account and see how the trading actually reflects. So let's first log into the trader's account. So for that, we will open a terminal. So I don't have GH Market terminal installed, so I'm just going to open a Think Market mt4 terminal to show the trading activity. Then I will go and say login. Now for me, the account created is this. I'm going to copy the number and I'm going to paste it here. Then my password is this. Right click, copy, and paste. and then the broker server is GH market. In your case, whatever broker you use, you will be able to get there. In this case, in the email template, there is a small mistake. So it is usually not an equal to sign. It is usually a colon. So we will fix that. But for the sake of this demo, I'm going to manually correct that part. And then I'm going to say login. So now I have logged into this account. This is account number 233413043. It is a balance of $10,000. And this is a new account. So let's try to do some trading. This is a weekend, so most of the Forex market is closed, but let us see if we can do a BTC trade. So I'm gonna sell 0.01 BTC. Okay, good. So the BTC trading is open. Let us see if I can do a Ethereum. Oh, Ethereum. Okay, let's see if I can buy. Okay, very good. So I did a couple of trades in here, and then I'm going to go back and see my dashboard again. So let us go back again and log into the dashboard. So I see, I will copy this again. And the password, copy, and then login. So again, I logged in as a trader. Yeah, so I've logged in as a trader. Under profile, I can see my information. And then I'm going to go to accounts. This is the account I just opened the trades. And I'm going to say view the report. Okay, so the trades opened are two. Ticket numbers are 092120, 2920921, and this is the Ethereum and the Bitcoin trade that we just opened. So this way, an end-to-end process with FX Report back office solution works. If you have any question about the software or any suggestions, feel free to contact us. Our website for the software is monitorline.com. It is monitor-line.com, and we have multiple services that we provide. We have prop firm setup consulting. We have trade funnel system for prop firm owners. We have MetaTrader programming automation, manager API programming, trade copy systems. We have a solution for big volume prop firms called Rapid Zapper, which is very fast violation monitoring, and then report server for MetaTrader 5. As I mentioned during the video, we are also adding ctrader and dxtrade, so feel free to contact us through the get in touch link. I hope you found this video useful, and stay tuned for more videos where we'll demonstrate other scenarios, which is how to add the accounts manually. Trader account meets a breach, then what happens? So we'll do a live demonstration of all these features and scenarios. Trader payout request video is getting uploaded soon, and trader forgets their credentials, what happens then, and then competitions. Thank you again, and wishing you a good luck.